children, myself Ishwar Chand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing chapter 11th, mensuration. In this we learn about the solid shapes and their surface area. Okay. So first we learn about the solid shapes. How the solid shape form. Okay. Solid shapes. Two-dimensional figures can be identified as the faces of three-dimensional shapes. Okay. Like that. Here are some solid shapes. This is a cuboid. These faces represent two-dimensional figures. Okay. So, all solid shapes are formed with the help of two-dimensional figures. Like that. This is the circle, which is a two-dimensional face. This cone's base also circle, which is a two-dimensional figure. Okay. So always remember, three-dimensional figures are formed with the help of two-dimensional figures. This is the cube and this is the pyramid. Okay. Now we learn how solid shapes are formed with the help of two-dimensional figures. Okay. So first we open these three-dimensional shape and lay on a paper that is in the form of two dimensions. So we break them. Here is the cuboidal box, which is a cuboid. This is a cuboid box. This is the top face looking like this. Okay. And the side face looking like this. And this side face looking like this. And this side face looking like this. This side face looking like this. And the bottom face looking like this. So here we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces of this cuboidal box, which makes combinedly a cuboid, that is cuboidal box. Okay. So this way we can know that a three-dimensional solid shape formed with the help of two-dimensional faces or shapes. Here all 6 faces are rectangular. Look, all are rectangular. Okay. And opposite faces are identical. This and this identical, this and this identical, this and this identical. So there are 3 pairs of identical faces. Both of these make first pair. These make second pair and these make the third pair. So there are 3 identical pairs which form a three-dimensional solid shape. Okay. So remember this thing. Now we learn cube. Cube is also three-dimensional solid shape. Here is a cubical box which represent the cubes. Okay. So this is the cubical box and we open it, split it in the two-dimensional shapes. This top face looking like this, represent this. The back face looking like this. This side face looking like this, and this side face looking like this. And this front face looking like this, and this bottom face looking like this. And Here there are isometric view also, so they are not looking same, but these all six faces are squares and identical, because the sides, that edges of these cube, this cube is A, all the sides, that is, all the edges are equal. Okay, so all the passage having same dimension, A into A into A. Okay, so this cube having six identical squares, and we know that the square having the area A into A, that is A square, and cube contains six identical passages. So the surface area of a cube is 6A square. Okay, so this way we can learn the surface area, and we can identify the three-dimensional solid shapes. Now here is the another solid shape, which is a cylindrical box. So we learn this cylindrical box formation. This is the top and this is the bottom. The top and bottom of the cylindrical box is circular, okay, and the curved surface, this is the curved surface. So one curved surface and two circular faces which are identical. Both of these circular faces are identical, and this is the curved surface. Circular faces and top are identical. So this way a cylindrical box is formed by the help of two-dimensional shape. Now we learn surface area of cuboid. Okay, here we split a cuboid on paper. Okay, this is cuboid. If a cuboidal box is open, that is split on their edge and placed on the paper, their faces are looking like this. This front and the back are looking like this. This top and bottom are looking like this, and these sides are looking like this. There are six passages. Okay, here some dimension L, B and H. This is H, so both all these edges are H. This and this is L. This and this also L. This and this B. This and this B. This and this B. Okay. Now we calculate the surface area with the help of these six figures. Okay. Now we try. Total surface area of cuboid is area of this first face, area of this second face, area of this third face, area of this fourth face, and area of this fifth face, and area of this sixth face. By adding all these six faces, we have to find total surface area of cuboid. Now we start from first. This is H into L. This is H and this is L. So the area of this is H into L. Area of the second, B into L. L into B, one and the same thing. Area of third, B into H. Okay, this is B into H. Area of fourth, L into H, HL. an area of fifth B into H, this B into H, and area of this sixth is L into B, this is L into B. Now here we found that H into L and H into L are twice, L into B and L into B are also twice, B into H and B into H are also twice. So we write these like, we take 2H common, so this become H into L plus B into H plus L into B. So we can say total surface area of cuboid is twice LB plus BH plus HL square units. So this way we found the surface area of cuboid. Very simple. Okay. Now we take an example. If length of a cuboid is 20 centimeter, breadth is 15 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter, then the total surface area of cuboid is given by 2 into 20 into 15, 20 into 15, 15 into 10, 10 into 20. So this becomes 300, this becomes 150, this becomes 200. By adding this becomes 650 multiplied by 2, 1300 centimeter square. So this way we found total surface area of a cuboid. Okay, so remember this, and with the help of this you can solve the question. Okay, in the next video I explain next part of this surface area. Okay, have a nice day. Thanks.